In this video, we're going to install the tools that you'll need to perform SQL queries. So if you take the link on Blackboard and go to MySQL Community Server, you'll see the download page. If you scroll down, go ahead and choose either Mac or Windows, depending upon what kind of operating system you have. And I'm going to show the install for Windows. Click Go to the download page. When you scroll down, you'll see two different options. If you are connected to the internet, which presumably if you're watching this video on YouTube, you are connected to the internet, you will want the first download, the one that says web. And you don't need to sign up for an account. You can just say, no thanks, just start my download. When it's finished downloading, go ahead and install it. And what we're actually installing is an installer. Go ahead and hit yes on the upgrade. And so from here, we're going to install the different components that we want to use. So hit next, and then execute. This will get the database connector installed, and then hit finish. The next thing we want to do is choose add. And from here you can read and accept the license agreement. Hit next. And then here, go ahead and choose the drop-down for MySQL Server and click on the product and send it to the right so that it knows to install it. And then we'll also install the MySQL Workbench. That's going to be a graphical user interface that allows us to work a little bit more easily with the databases. So go ahead and send that to the right as well. And then let's also install the MySQL shell, so in case we want to use the command line. Then hit next. And when you're ready, hit execute. This will probably take a little bit of time. When that's done, go ahead and hit next. And then we'll configure MySQL Server. So choose standalone. Should already be chosen. And hit next. And then you can change the port if you like. Keep it on development computer because that's what we're going to be using your computer as. And hit next. And then from here, it's actually pretty important to select the legacy authentication method. So you'll have to do some updates to use the top choice that I'm not sure are available for the community version yet. So make sure you choose the bottom option. So use legacy authentication method. And then hit next, and it will ask you to create a root password. And after setting the root password, hit add user, and you can add your own username. This will be how you access the database as a user. Create a password, and then hit next. You can leave the last bit of configuration alone, or change the name if you like. Hit next and execute. And when it's finished, you'll now be ready to start working with MySQL.